Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and this is part 5 of the Jeep Grand Cherokee Project. Thanks for joining me for part 5 of the Jeep Grand Cherokee Project. Today I'm going to be cleaning the interior. I know when I first got this vehicle I said I would not show you the interior because of how filthy it is on the inside, but like a leprechaun peeing on your leg, you're in luck. Alright, well before we get started with anything I got to change out that tire that keeps going flat every day on me, so that's the first step. I broke my 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter trying to get these lug nuts free. I picked up a couple of different sockets. I got a 3/4 inch drive, 19 millimeter, and then I also picked up a 3/4 inch 18 millimeter socket. It's got this big massive 3/4 inch drive, and I got a 3/4 inch drive breaker bar. I had to go with the 2 different sizes because some of the lug nuts are missing the chrome caps, and so the ones that have the chrome on them are 19 millimeter and the ones that don't are 18. So go ahead and get these loose. Shouldn't have any problem with these. Oh yeah, there it goes. Well, it's loosened up pretty easy. I'll do the ones that don't have the chrome caps. This one's gonna struggle just a little bit. There we go. Like butter. Alright, well I picked up some tires and wheels at the junkyard. Hopefully these are gonna work. And I am waiting on my new lug nuts. I've got them on order, so I'm just gonna have to reuse these old ones. So again, I'll have these two different sizes. Well, we'll see if that tire holds air for more than a day. Alright, let me give you a tour of this thing now. It's actually the most disgusting thing I've owned. My black 99 Lexus was close. Actually, that one was pretty gross too. But so there's just all kinds of gross, gnarly disgustingness that came with this. It's just so disgusting. It really is. And it's like someone drove this like this. I mean, other than me when I drove it home from the auction, but I mean, someone owned this thing and this is how they had it, you know? I mean, it's just filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy. I actually bought rubber gloves to wear to drive this thing home when I picked it up. I was like, oh, this is a lot worse than I thought it was gonna be. So I'll show you the back. Alright, and there's the back. And again, just absolutely filthy, disgusting, gross. Oh, there's the owner's manual. I don't know what the hell that is. I mean, I did get it at a police auction. Is that cocaine? Doesn't smell like cocaine. And again, someone owned this vehicle and they owned it like this. I mean, it's just gross. So I've got some things that I'm gonna use here. Alright, so I've got some rubber gloves I'm gonna wear. I also have a little grabber thing. This is actually kind of cool. I can pick up stuff that's kind of really stuck in areas that I can't reach. So also going to use a shop vac. And then once I get all the big gnarly shit out of it, then I'll use a steam cleaner. My wife thinks I'm being a little dramatic, but I mean, I don't know what any of this shit is, so I don't want to be touching anything that'll make me sick. Especially this stuff. I mean, who knows what the hell that is, you know? So I'm working on it in sections, starting with the rear cargo area, and then once I'm done back here, I will move to the back seat and then to the front. Well, whatever was spilt back here, when I hit it with the vacuum, it pulled up all the carpet. So, still have to steam clean back here. Well, the back seat is coming along. There's still a lot of crap in here. Sand, sticky stuff. I got all the big chunks out though that were under the seat. There were a lot of Tootsie Pops and French fries and cereal and, you know, little kid socks. I don't understand that, but put the seat down here. Put the seat down. And now the floor is still pretty freaking gnarly. A bunch of cigarette lighters, fast food cup, a barrette. And yeah, lots and lots and lots of sand just everywhere. And a cereal bowl, and Red Bull, and a cheeseburger wrapper, and looks like an alcohol bottle cap. So yeah, all kinds of good stuff in the back seat here. So try and get this all vacuumed up and cleaned up. It's just so gross. And the front is probably just as bad, if not worse. the sand just keeps coming and coming and coming, and so taking this seat out, I'll probably take the driver's seat out, I'll probably take the rear seats out. It is just filthy, filthy, filthy. I just can't get this sand out of here. Just don't understand what was going on with this car, what they did with it, where they kept it. I don't get it, but it's just freaking absolutely disgusting in here. So yeah, so the interior is going to come out and see if I can get some of this sand out of here. So it actually took a few days to get this all cleaned up. My wife ended up helping because it was just an endless amount of sand in this vehicle. There's still a few things left to do. I mean, the dashboard needs to be put back together. It's missing some panels on it. The passenger side door panel has a bunch of broken plastic clips, and I need to clean up where the tape residue is on that. However, the rest of the vehicle is looking very, very nice. A lot better than it was when I started, and I'll just show you some pictures here. And obviously there's a lot more that can be done, but I am quite satisfied. So there'll be an update once I do some more things on the interior. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.
Goodbye.